Today, let's explore 3 astonishing types of immersive projection mapping. Immerse yourself in the wonders of projection mapping. First up, interactive immersive projections. It starts with concept development, envisioning a blend of space and narrative. Select technologies like motion sensors and touch interfaces. Viewers engage with projections through movement, becoming part of the story. Next, immersive scenography. With precise mapping technology, plain walls turn into vivid narratives. Designers craft environmental storylines, inviting the audience into an entirely new world. Finally, naked eye 3D immersive projection. This technology brings images to life with depth and dimensions in midair. Without special glasses, viewers experience a 3D world that envelops them. That's the essence of immersive projection. Which type sparks your creativity the most? Cleaner Immersive Experiences Expert, offering a spectrum of creative scenarios and full-scale technical services. Cleaner, your interactive experts with 10 years of experience, offering a one-stop solution from design development to installation and implementation.